someone like me na nawala yung connector, DJI Osmo Pocket. Nice. Naman ako. Nag-meditate ako. I-inhale. Tinabihan ba naman ako ng nag-i-insenso? It's time to make my own coffee.
Parang nawala masyado si Diwata.
Why?
Ay, kaya na lang parka.
How many chopsticks do you have? Wow, can you count them? Can you show it to Mamita? Wow!
Spread the butter on top for additional flavor. Quickly stick.
Okay.
What are you gonna do?
Kapapan. Wow. Already finished.
Hello everybody! Good morning! Yes, chinek ko talaga kung tamang good morning pa. It's been a long time since I vlogged. Dumaldal ako in front of the camera. Ewan ko, parang simula nung pagdating namin from Bali, medyo nahirapan akong ibalik yung momentum ko. I'm also almost going close to my target na mag 500 subscribers. Currently, we are at 323 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And this month, ang goal ko talaga is maka 500. I'm happy with a 500 subscribers this month. Syempre, in the next coming months, mas mataas pa yung ita-target natin and views. But I'm really happy kasi we have a progress. Anyway, I'm just gonna prep kasi I'm going to pick up Ash kasi galing sila ng opening ng Tomo Coffee sa, I think, Makati area. And since pares kami nag-crave sa Chicken House Express, kaya susuduin ko siya and we're gonna go to Chicken House Express right after. So, I'm finally able to pick up Ash and actually, muntik pa nga kami hindi matuloy sa pagpunta dito sa Chicken House Express because of some important matters. But I'm happy na natuloy kami. Unfortunately, hindi na kami makakakain doon mismo sa restaurant kasi sobrang daming tao. And meron pang meeting si Ash after lunch, as I've said earlier. Kaya, ayun, hindi ako makakapag-vlog, hindi ko na ma-vlog, pero I have already vlog naman na tong restaurant na to before when we went to Chicken House Express with Ash's dad. Anyway, I'm just gonna wait for Ash. Wala kasing parking, kaya hindi na rin kami makakakain dito. And magte-take out na lang kami. At dahil busy si Ash dun sa likod, di ako makapwesto. I just wanted to share with you something that I got. So, yung stand kasi ng Osmo Pocket, yung usual. I'm gonna show it here. Ito yung usual connector niya. Nawala ako. Unfortunately, hindi ko talaga alam kung saan ko siya nalagay. Hinanap ko na yung... Hinalughog ko na sa kotse, sa kwarto, sa bahay. Lahat ng mga pinupuntahan ko. Pero hindi ko talaga siya makita. That's why I've decided to buy this one. I got this from the Blue app. Siguro I'm gonna share the link na lang din sa description box. Para if you're someone like me na nawala yung connector ng DJI Osmo Pocket ninyo, you can buy this one. It was, I think, less than 500 pesos lang. And then, ang nakakatuwa sa kanya, kasi maliit lang siya. Yung before kasi, medyo malaki siya. So, pag nilalagay ko sa board nung sasakyan, nung kotse, every time magdadrive ako, hindi kasya yung DJI. Kaya ang nangyayari, tumatama siya sa window. So, ngayon, natutuwa ako dito kasi manipis lang siya. So, pag pinatong siya siguro dun sa parang stand, hindi natatama yung camera ko. And then, isa pang pro dito is, hindi na ito mawawala. Kasi every time na, kahit pa nakasaksak siya, you can still charge your camera here sa likod niya. So, for example, imagine, isasaksak mo siya ng ganito sa camera. Ito yung front and then ito yung back. Makakapag-charge ka while using this extension and then you can also still use it para ma-connect mo sa tripod. So, ito, hindi na siya prone to wala. Hindi na siya mawawala kasi pwede mo na siyang laging nakalagay sa camera. Ang napansin ko lang is medyo mas mabigat to compared dun sa usual or yung talagang kasama sa DJI Pocket na package. By the way, standard lang naman yung kinuha ko. Pero okay lang, hindi naman siya pansin. And yun, I'm so happy na nakabili na ako nito finally. After almost a month na nawawala yung ganito ko. I have na and I can use it na sa aking tripod. Getting ready because I'm going to the studio today to collect and replenish our balloons. Anyway, I'm just gonna finish getting ready and prepping para dire-diretso na tayo. Medyo marami akong gagawin today, kaya let's go. I only use Dyson. Look at the difference. I only use this one, this barrel. And grabe, mukha akong nagplancha ng hair.
Wala kasing barala ng English. Diyan kayo para pala.
Nalugas.
Ano? Almost. Bukod dun sa pinili. morning, guys. What's good in good morning? If your morning is not good,
we're finally done with our meeting. And yes, every Sunday kami nagmi-meeting talaga. Kasi ito na lang din yung day na free kami both. Anyway, as you've seen from the previous clips, we are currently working on it's a big project for the both of us. Kasi first time namin gagawin to. And I hope you guys can support this brand. Sobrang, as you can see, pinaghirapan talaga namin. And sobrang wholeheartedly namin siya ginawa. Isa rin kami sa mga gumagamit ng ganito. Kaya, yun, sobrang nakakatuwa kasi naiintindihan namin paano namin siya ginagawa. And I hope you guys can use that soon. I hope you can also share it with the people na important to your lives. Sobrang excited na kami to share that with you, pero kasi nandun pa lang kami sa early stages nung project na to. Pero sobrang excited na kami. Gusto na talaga namin tong i-release. Pero syempre, we have to make sure na kahit hindi perfect, pero nasa best state na siya. Watch out, very very soon, magla-log in na siya.